What's up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy Premiere Pro tutorial. Today we want to learn how to nudge clips inside of Premiere Pro. And what does nudge mean? Nudge means I want to move this clip like frame by frame, right? I'm dragging it with my cursor currently. I don't want to do that. I want to nudge it frame by frame. Now, if I hit up and down on my keyboard, up, it just goes clip to clip. So back and forth, clip to clip. If I want to go frame by frame, you can hit right or left on your keyboard and your cursor will go frame by frame. But what if I want to move this clip frame by frame? It's super simple. Just make sure the clip is highlighted with your cursor, click it, hold Alt or Command on your keyboard and use left or right. As you can see, the footage is going that way. Hold the cursor, it goes that way. And that is how you nudge footage inside of Premiere Pro, frame by frame. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of the channel. If you are new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, scan the QR code on the screen. Helps me out a ton.